Hey, how's it going? So today I'm just driving around Guam, stopping at different spots that I see along the road, different parks, different little attractions, different historical sites, I guess. So we're going up the stairs to see the Latte Stone of Peace. It's really windy up here. Alright, so that thing there, that's the Latte of Peace. So this Japanese shrine was placed here at promotion of peace in honor of all those that lost their lives in World War II from both sides. So this is a piece of artillery that's remaining from World War II. The water's pretty clear out here. You can see a lot of those big blue starfishes.